When you were growing up, did anyone teach you how to walk? Do you remember how to put one foot in front of the other and eventually reach your goal? It's not quite the same for teeth. Young children generally like to clean their front teeth, while teenagers prefer to clean back. Ideally, we want all tooth surfaces to be cleaned properly, and the best way to achieve this is to be taught by a professional. Children have football coaching, swimming and piano lessons, dance classes, and a lot of these things they will carry on. However, the one good thing they could have is coaching for health. This can be supported by a hygienist who can demonstrate to your child and show you how to monitor their oral hygiene. As we know, oral health and general health are directly linked. At this young age, there are many ways we can intervene to help avoid having any restorations by the time they finish school. They would have no fillings in their teeth due to the habits they have developed over the years. Nothing enhances your smile more than the natural teeth you were born with. So if they don't become a Premier League footballer or concert pianist, at least you can take immense satisfaction when they give you a lovely smile and ask if they can have a little bit more pocket money.